for this yet, are we? You want to do the fuel rail and stuff now?
Injectors, I guess we could do put valve covers back on.
Yeah.
And then put this in, or we'll put valve covers, put that AC pump back.
For fuel rail and the AC pump, or does it matter?
I had all the fuel rails off before I took that out. Is there any on there? I can't remember.
Yeah, I put a brand new can on here.
Oh yeah, the
Right stuff.
yeah, there you go.
You go shove one of Andy's nice screwdrivers in here and open it up.
There's some picks.
Oh yeah.
I thought I'd clean it out, but
Yeah, it always does this. I always feel like one of those nature videos pulling like a parasite out of an animal. Like, I just saved this RTV can with my snap-on pick.
that'll hold.
Give her the wood.
Or it won't.
Yeah. I changed the O-ring. I could put the old one back in. I spray it with WD-40. Make sure you're spline here.
I got a video of you doing something.
Yay! I pulled the oil fill cap off.
Yeah.
Stick a screwdriver in there. See if it spins.
You get that gear on the right way?
It only goes on one way.
You sure?
I mean, there's only one way. It's tapered. It's got a keyway. I can't see. I'll have to violate you for a minute. There's no way for it to go on the other way. It's tapered. Yeah, we're right. It's just an optical illusion. It's spline too. Oh, hang on, it's spinning that housing.
Uh-oh.
I'll have to see if we can pull it in with a couple of bolts here. Pull it back out just a little. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's see, yeah. Come on. The optical illusion of the,
World is full of illusions. Let me see if we got a long bolt that'll fit. What bolts were those?
you might be able to. Let me see.
Oh, that one's kind of jumped. Have to get the new one there. Let's, I'll bet it get a big bar and we'll put it on the ridge and shove on the back of the front. One of those we probably should replace. This one, I think. Or was the head of that one look like? It's kind of small.
Yeah, I think I almost stripped one out.
Maybe that one.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll one. 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 Maybe that one in, we can get another one at lunch.
We'll save the real difficult one for after lunch. Son of a gun. Get these bolts in sometime today, hopefully.
You know, I'd have a hard time buying a $300 chisel set.
I would too. Beat the hell out of them.
Yeah, and I guess I really haven't run into anything with these Pittsburghs where I'm like, I bet a nicer chisel would have fixed that.
Yeah.
And then when I lose them, I don't have to care.
Alright, we couldn't, we stripped out one bolt, taking the injection pump off. And these hex head, and everything's metric. Nobody has metric of the right size. So, this is a stripped out one. Found one that's longer and one that's shorter. The shorter one wouldn't work, so we're gonna improvise. Make this one the same length. We had a thread file at one point. Don't know where it went. Again, improvise and adapt. That's what we do. Alright, we got the after lunch blues. Had some dang good Mexican food here in town. And what else we gotta do? We got the engine kind of closed up, buttoning up this injection pump, and we'll put our fuel lines back on. There's a whole plethora of those. I should have taken pictures when I took them apart, but as Colton always says, there's only one way they go back together, so stick with us when we figure it out. And we will hook everything back up, get everything primed, and see what happens from there. So here we go. Colton ditched us. Colton had to go pick up 5 sheep. Don't know what he's gonna do with those. He should be back here in a minute. Why couldn't they make it just so the fuel rail, like 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. Nope, 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2. It doesn't make any sense. But it is what it is. We're just cleaning out this intake a little bit. A couple specks of dirt got in there. And we don't have a shop vac, so we're cleaning it out 1 fingerful at a time. Should be clean after I'm done with it though. Ooh. Shoot. That one went there. Okay. Well, it's about 3:30 here. We are finishing buttoning up kind of some of the stuff we had to take apart to get these valve covers off and injectors and everything out. We've got the injectors in, valve covers on, injection pump in, most of the fuel lines, the fuel rails in, just kind of some of this tedious stuff that we had to take apart to get to all that stuff. So we're putting that back together now. Got like a computer, some of this wiring to figure out how that came apart. Plug in some connectors. We are waiting on a couple of copper washers for fuel fittings, and just kind of tidying up here, get all back to how it looked when we took it apart. So here we go.
Cool, yeah.
Did you find some sealing washers?
Yeah.
I bought a whole kit of the JCB brand once.
How much was that?
For the filters and the kit, or just the kit?
The kit.
28 bucks.
Oh, that's not bad. So they'll sell you the consumables for reasonable. They just won't sell you the parts.
Yeah, do you know Lane, the kid that works at the counter there that's like a little younger than me?
He's younger than you?
Mm-hmm.
How come his beard's so cool?
I don't know what to tell you. He shows steers, that's why.
Oh.
Dang.
We went to high school with him, and he was telling me while I was standing in there, he's like, I couldn't even believe how expensive those were.
Yeah, good. Hopefully they all get together and write a letter to their local congressman about Cp4 injectors.
Oh, man. You want me to spin those on there? Where did they go?
Yeah, they go under here. We'll do this very last because we'll pull them off, we'll pressurize the tank,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll put the new filters on. I don't want to prime them. I want to push fuel through them.
Mm-hmm.
I gave it a good hee-ho with the bend with the old strong arm. A little easier. I think it just goes these ECM bolts. Oh, there we go.
And all that. So
Here, you grab that set, I'll grab this set.
Camera will hold the camera.
You're totally it's like
He's got a clutch. That's why it wouldn't crank. I'm stunned.
no baby oil never hurt no one.